Influencer scams part 1. That's what we'll be talking about today. But first, please do subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog. And I'm going to stick around to the end because I'm going to show you some really cool apps where you can make some money from. Starting today, a bunch of download apps and stuff like that. Apps you download on your phone, iOS and Android. And you can check the link in the top of the comments here to check out some cool apps as well. Right there's a video about them right here, so check that out as well. And if you're interested in making a full-time income, even a part-time income, legitimate online business, check out the link in the video description below as well. And all right, so let's just get right into this now. Influencer sites, look at these. Sign up bonus. Sign up right now, get $25 free. Invite your friends, get $10. Blah blah blah. Welcome to CashGem, the number one caching network. Blah blah blah. Share, earn $30, earn $30. ZoneCash, make $300 daily. ZoneCash is the number one influencer network that lets you monetize your friends and followers. JustEarn.co, earn money. Blah blah blah. The number one network again, number one network. Cash crates, start earning money on Instagram account today. Enjoy $50 sign up bonus. The number one network. Pay to share, earn the number one network, earn $50. They keep raising the prices on these things too because it used to be cheaper. Cash crates again. Wait a minute, was this cash crates? Yeah, cash crates twice there. Tap to earn, number one influencer site in the world. Cash OG is gone. All right. So basically, there's like literally like probably there's a million of these, well, not a million, but there's a lot of these sites out there claiming that they're going to pay you, you know, these outrageous bonus signups and then $10 for every friend you refer. And I made videos about these in the past, and you know, if you see any site kind of like this, they're all fake. And here's some things like CashGem, About Us. If you go in here, the About Us pages, they usually say they started around 2015. They all say the same thing. These team members, by the way, these are all stock photos that you can do reverse image lookups on. In fact, let's check that out. Open image, new tab. All right, so let's just copy that URL. Go here, check that out. These aren't real people that work for this company or any part of the company. There we go. Adobe, stock photos, X theme. All these places that use that same photo. bigstockphoto.com, you know, whatever, Shutterstock. It's just, they're fake. They're not real. They use fake testimonials. They hire people on Fiverr and other sites too as well to make testimonials. Here, 2015. Look, they all typically they all say they started at 2015 in Amsterdam. Sometimes they say Los Angeles. There's even ones with addresses in New York City that are actually in Chinatown, like some restaurant in Chinatown. I live in New York City. All you gotta do is Google Map it, but this one has, I don't think this one actually has the actual address. Oh yeah, they do. The Netherlands, whatever. Blah blah blah. But so 2015, they say they started. Go to the Whois database. CashGem. This website was started less than a month ago, or a little over a month ago. Registered, actually there it is, registered on this date. It's just nonsense. They're scams. And then you go to their terms of service and such. We'll just pick any one of these here. There's ZoneCash. Let's see, Just Earn. Payment proofs. They all say they make, look. Payment proofs, screenshot, fake. All nonsense. Let's go back to this About Us page, justearn.co. But I bet you they say that 2015. Yep, they say they started in 2015. Just a bunch of nonsense. Go to the terms and condition page. Do a little quick search for the number 99. And it says if you're under the age, you have to be 99 years or older. If you're under the age of 99, you're allowed to use these services, blah, blah, blah. They all pretty much say this. They just copy one another. I mean, come on. You got to be 99 years old or older to use these sites. I mean, it's just shadiness. A lot of times they have these people here on their front pages. They just copy one another. A lot of these sites are exactly the same. Look, completely different site, same photos. This one's what, paid to share. Same photos. They're just lies. So why are they doing this? Well, they're getting your information. For one, they have tasks inside where they make money from if you complete those tasks, because you have to spend money on stuff. They give you these outrageous amounts of money that they say they're going to pay you. They never pay anyone. I've been making these videos for these companies, these scams for a while. All the comments on my YouTube channel, except for the ones that are working for these companies, say they never pay. They say they're going to pay on a certain date. You know, there's other reports that they try to hack into your PayPal account and stuff like that, because you give them your PayPal email and all kind of other stuff. And they have this, proof for real. How is this proof? These are just screenshots. Anyone can make these things. And a lot of times they don't even change the names. Like this one's tap to share and it says tap to share, but sometimes they call each other different names, website names. So anyways, it's a bunch of nonsense. Let me know if you have any experience with these, if you came across them in the comments. It's just a bunch of nonsense. So let's look at some legitimate apps. Like I said in my pinned comment down there, I have this little link right here, make money downloading apps for iOS and Android. You can check that out as well. But let's go out. Let's go over some apps you can start making with money today if you don't have them already. Some of them you probably already have and know about. But basically, all these apps I'm going to show you right here, there's a couple ways to make money from them. One, when you use them. Two, when you do nothing, you just sync your debit card or credit card to get cash back from when you go shopping. And three, to refer people. For example, when I refer you, I'm going to get something out of it. Sometimes it's points, sometimes it's money, sometimes it's free stock, sometimes it's cryptocurrency. So thank you in advance if you do decide to use my referral links. I'll put a link down for this page. And this website here too, you can actually put your referral links, and it's a free website as well. So for example, here's an app called Freebird. You get cash back when you use Uber or Lyft, and you get $10 for when you sign up using my code, and I'll get $10 as well towards my account. So that's pretty cool. Dosh is another real cool one. Use my referral code. This one you sync up to your debit card or your credit cards, and when you go shopping at different places, you get money back, and you get money for referring people. So that's pretty cool as well. Free stocks here on Robinhood. I get free stocks all the time when I refer people. So if you use my referral link, you're going to get a free stock. Awesome indeed. And then we have money listening to music up to $600 here. And that's a pretty cool app as well that I've been using. You get Amazon gift cards. I think you get PayPal. You get paid out in different ways. The Pi Network here is a cryptocurrency app where I get free cryptocurrency and such. Now, it is an app for iOS and Android, but they have a desktop app here too that what you get. Like right now I have 61,000 plus Pi. I have a bunch of people on my network. It is invite only, so you're gonna need to use my invite code. And I'm mining at 47.32 Pi an hour at the moment. So this is a pretty cool thing here. So I got all these cryptocurrencies. I've been doing this for a while now. So, and these are people in my network. So if you join, right now there's 478 of them actually mining out of the just like 2,000 some I referred in my team. And the more people you have in your network, the higher your mining rate goes. So you're going to want to get into my network to start with, and then you're going to want to invite your own friends and stuff like that. So that's a pretty cool app as well. At the time, yeah, pretty cool. So next up is Rakuten. This is a pretty cool one as well because it's cash back. Most people have this one already, but when you sign up, you're going to get $10 right off the bat when you do whatever the requirements and such. And I'm going to get $25 for referring you, and then you could get $25 for referring people. It's another cash back app thing. This one's actually on the web as well. Like when you shop on different websites, if you put the Chrome web browser in or the extension, it's going to show when you go to a site to shop, it's going to say, hey, you can get money back from this site, and you don't do anything different. There's no fees or nothing. You just get money back, and it's great. And then you can stack those with other apps. Like I use a few of these apps, and I get money back from multiple places, like Dosh, Rakuten. There's another one down here, Pay, or where's Pay or Pi? Yeah, Pay, Pi. Yeah, this one's called Pay. And then there's just a bunch of other sites here. Some more free stocks here. Cash App. Most people have Cash App already, but you can get money for referring people as well on delivery.com. So like I said, you can check these out. There'll be links for all this stuff down below. I'll put a link just for this page. And this page here is called Kit, and you can make your own profile. Again, it is free. And then you get people to, you send people here and that's all your referral links. Like I have more kits, as they call them. That was my Cash App kit. Like I have one for making money online, affiliate marketing and such, other stuff, how to become a secret shopper, hip hop sample packs, just all kind of stuff, gift for drummers. So it's pretty cool. I mean, it's a very legitimate app, you know. Website I've been using it for about, I don't know, 6 months at this time right now. Then you get analytics down here. Let's see here, I got 178 followers. You can check out your analytics. It tells you how many views you had in the last 30 days, product views in the last 30 days and such, and tips to get even more, whatever. The Cash App one does pretty well. So you can even make your own Cash App kit, if you will, and then refer people there. So it's pretty cool. I would stay away from all these shady sites here. I'm gonna start doing some more Instagram or influencer scam type videos in the future, so please do subscribe. Like I said, I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog about making money online, full-time income, part-time income, little cash apps in here, little side hustles here and there. You start doing a bunch of those. The thing I like about the apps is they're just set and forget, basically. I mean, I've been mining Pi on my phone for like, you know, I don't know, 6 months, 9 months. I don't even know how long it's been. But anyways, check out all this stuff, folks. That is all for today, and I will talk to you soon.